Major figure in America's judiciary system paying a visit to the Ocean State today.
Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg was at Roger Williams University School of Law this morning for a fireside chat. She spoke with students and staff about her job and reflected on her experience on the bench.
Justice Ginsburg even missing tonight's State of the Union address in order to attend several events in Providence. Eyewitness News reporter Eric Halpern was in Bristol for today's talk and breaks down what she had to say now from our newsroom. Eric?
Mike, only students were allowed to ask questions, and nothing was brought up about Ginsburg skipping tonight's State of the Union address, but we did get a personal reflection of Ginsburg's growth from a law student to Supreme Court Justice. Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg greeted with a standing ovation at the Roger Williams University School of Law, taking part in what was called a fireside chat with U.S. Appeals Court Judge Bruce Selya.
The important thing was to get your foot in the door.
She reflected on a lot of her life, including the challenges she faced as a woman trying to become a lawyer. She was just one of 9 females in her law school class, and added that in her era, law firms did not want to hire women.
You got the job, you generally performed at least as well as the men, so the next step wasn't so hard.
Throughout the discussion, Ginsburg credited President Jimmy Carter for appointing more female and minority judges, and described retired Supreme Court Justice Sandra Day O'Connor as a big sister. She also explained why she doesn't like the comparison of what she's done for gender equality to what Thurgood Marshall did for racial equality.
Because my life was never in danger.
Towards the end, she was asked how she was feeling. She says she feels fine, attributing her health to her personal trainer, who she's had since 1999, which drew laughter. One of the audience questions was about how her and late Justice Scalia often disagreed, but did so without any animosity, unlike with some of what happens today. She answered in part, saying we need to start with the children. And back during the presidential campaign, Ginsburg had called then-candidate Trump a faker. Trump responded on Twitter saying her mind is shot and that she should resign. But Ginsburg is not the first justice to miss a State of the Union. Others have done so in the past, and it's been reported that others will be missing tonight's as well. Live in the newsroom, I'm Eric Halpern, Eyewitness News.